Good morning, everyone. I am Chalama Reddy, Mathematics faculty. In previous class, we have discussed compound angles, sin of a plus b, cos of a plus b, tan of a plus b, cot of a minus b formulas. And how to remember it, the formulas also we have discussed. Sin 15, sin 75, cos 15, cos 75, tan 75, cot 75 degrees also we have discussed. Now, see the level 1, first question. See the question, how they are given. So here 40 degrees 35 minutes, 19 degrees 25 minutes. Again 40 degrees 35 minutes, 19 degrees 25 minutes. That means here angle A is 40 degrees 35 minutes and angle B is 19 degrees 25 minutes. If you are add these two, a plus b, students, what happens? See, a plus b, 40 degrees plus 19 degrees, how much? 59 degrees. A plus b is equal to 59 degrees, 35 minutes, 25 minutes, 60 minutes. Already we know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now instead of 60 minutes, I am going to write 1 degree. Already 59 degrees are there. So now this is overall 60 degrees. So why I am adding these two means, see the question that is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So that formula is sin of A plus B or not? A means 40 degrees 35 minutes plus B means 19 degrees 25 minutes. Now the problem is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, that is sin of A plus B. Students, sum of two angles already we are added, that is 60 degrees. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equal to sin of A plus B. Now, second question, observe that here cos of n plus 1 alpha, cos of n minus 1 alpha, sin of n plus 1 alpha, sin of n minus 1 alpha. So here you have to think angle A is n plus 1 into alpha and angle B is n minus 1 into alpha. Students, observe that the problem is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Then what is the formula, students? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, that is cos of A minus B. This is the formula now. Use this formula, cos of A means this is n plus 1 into alpha, multiply n alpha plus alpha minus n minus 1 into alpha. Here you will get minus n alpha plus alpha. In this case, n alpha minus n alpha cancel. Remaining, what is that, students? Alpha plus alpha, that is 2 alpha. So final answer is cos 2 alpha. Third option is correct. Students, see the third question. First observe the given conditions. Here 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. So angle theta is lies between 0 to 90. That meaning is first quadrant. So theta belongs to first quadrant. This is one condition. Next, they are given 2 sine theta, that is equal to root 3 cos 10 plus sine 10. Dividing on both sides, divide on both sides with 2. Then what happened? Left hand side, 2 sine theta divided by 2 means 2 is going to cancel. But in right hand side, root 3 by 2 cos 10 degrees plus 1 by 2 sine 10 degrees. Okay, dividing on both sides, then we get like this. See the left hand side, what is there here? Sine theta. Right hand side also we want to convert in terms of sine only. What is sine of a plus b? Formula, students? Sine of a plus b. What is the formula? Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay, here cos is there, here cos is there. Now here we need sine. So root 3 by 2 means how many degrees in terms of sine? Sine 60 degrees. Cos 10 plus, here sine already is there. Now we need cos. 1 by 2 means how many degrees in terms of cos? 60 degrees. Cos 60 into sine 10. Now this is in the form of sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. What is the formula? Sine of A plus B, 60 degrees plus 10. That is equal to 60 plus 10 means how much? 70 degrees. Left hand side, what is there? Sine theta. Sine theta is equal to sine 70 degrees means theta is equal to 70 degrees. 70 degrees, it belongs to first quadrant or not? Right. Which option is correct? First option is correct. Fourth question, tan 40 degrees plus tan 80 degrees minus root 3 into tan 40 tan 80. So here all terms are tan only. But see the angles. One of the angle is 40, another angle is 80. So 40 degrees plus 80 degrees. Students, how much? 120 degrees. Apply tan on both sides. Why I am applying tan? Because in the question the terms are tan only. That's why. So tan 40 plus 80, that is equal to tan 120. In left hand side, don't add 40 plus 80, 120. So tan 120, tan 120, both are equal. But observe the left hand side, that is in the form of tan A plus B. Students, what is tan A plus B formula? Tan of A plus B, we know the formula, that is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. I am written short form, TA means tan A. Okay, so apply the formula. Tan 40 degrees plus tan 80 degrees divided by 1 minus tan 40 tan 80. See the right hand side, 120 degrees is there. 120 degrees we can write 90 plus 30 or 180 minus 60. So 180 minus theta second quadrant, tan is negative. We get at 180 there is no change, tan will come. Tan 60, that is root 3. So here left hand side same. Now take cross multiplication. What we get? Tan 40 degrees plus tan 80 degrees, that is equal to minus root 3 into denominator, send right hand side. We get like this, 1 minus tan 40 tan 80. Now by observing the question, then calculate. Tan 40 plus tan 80. Here students observe that multiply these two. What happened? Minus root 3 into minus tan 40 tan 80. That is root 3 tan 40 tan 80. Those values send left hand side. Those values send left hand side. What happened? Minus root 3 tan 40 tan 80. First multiply those two values and send it to left hand side. Now remaining two, these two we can multiply. Minus root 3 into 1, that is minus root 3. So finally, students, what is the answer? Tan 40 plus tan 80 minus root 3 tan 40 tan 80 value is how much? Minus root 3. Second option is correct.